Google Pixel 9 series is expected to launch as the successor to the Pixel 8 lineup, which launched in October 2023 with a base Pixel 8 and a Pixel 8 Pro model. The purported series is expected to launch with three new models, including a vanilla and a Pro model. The third model has not yet been confirmed but may have been spotted online. A new Google handset recently surfaced on a benchmarking website, and it is expected to be the purported third Pixel 9 model. My Smart Price report spotted a smartphone named Google Tokay on the Geekbench 5 database. As per the listing, the handset scored 1082 points on the single core test and 3121 points on the multi-core test. However, the report also adds that since these scores are significantly lower than those of the Pixel 8 models, the legitimacy of these test results should be taken with a pinch of salt. The listing shows the Google Tokay model with an octa-core chipset. 4 cores seem to have clocked at 1.95 GHz, 3 at 2.60 GHz and 1 at 3.10 GHz. The report suggests it could be the Tensor G4 chipset. It is also seen with a Mali G715 GPU and 8 GB of RAM. The phone is also seen with an Android 14 OS. The upcoming Google Pixel lineup is tipped to be get a base Pixel 9 model codenamed Komodo and a Pixel 9 Pro model codenamed Cayman. A third model is also rumored, but little is known about it. The report suggests that this could be the third Pixel 9 series model. Previously, the Google Pixel 9 leaked images and a Pixel 9 Pro renders surfaced online. They are seen with flat sides, unlike the preceding model, and similar to the design of the iPhone 15 series. The models appear with a more compact camera island with a triple rear camera unit. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.